does not reflect the systemic violations of the human rights of the Catalan people. The omission of critical issues of political rights risks legitimizing Spain's repression. Spain's penal code has been misused against Catalans engaged in peaceful expression and assembly. The amnesty law of 2024, intended to redress politically motivated prosecution, has been obstructed by Spain's highest courts. This amounts to a judicial rebellion which keeps the 130th President Carles Puigdemont and two other Catalan leaders in exile. Judicial investigations about Spain's misuse of invasive spyware, such as Pegasus, against Catalan elected representatives, journalists and civil society have been stalled, leaving victims without remedies and entrenching impunity. Finally, the report is practically silent on the right to self-determination. All peoples possess this right under Common Article 1 of both covenants. Its omission not only ignores the core of Catalonia's grievances, but also undermines the credibility of the EUPR process itself. Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to the platform for